learning window. There are capital letters, full stops, question marks, exclamation marks and commas in the above sentences. These are called punctuation marks. Punctuation marks are signs that are used in writing to make the meaning of a sentence clear. Capital letters. You have learnt the use of capital letters. You know that we use a capital letter for the first letter of the first word in a sentence. Examples: Mother will cook dinner for us. The kitten looked around for its mother. Let us learn the use of capital letters in detail. A. We use the capital letters for the names of people, places and buildings. Examples: Ashim and Raman live in Patna. Vivek went to see the Red Fort. B. We begin the days of the week and months of the year with a capital letter. Examples: This Friday, we shall go to a party. We will tour Japan in the month of November. C. We use the capital letter for the names of languages and countries. Examples: Mohan knows how to read and write German. India is a beautiful country. D. We use capital letters in the names of national holidays and festivals. Examples: Christmas, Holi, Diwali, Eid, Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day. E. We use capital letters for titles before names. Examples: Dr. Amit Trivedi, Mr. Junaid Ansari. F. We use capital letters for the initials of someone's name. Examples: R.S. Gupta, J.K. Rowling. G. The pronoun I is always written as a capital letter. Examples: I play in the park. My father and I like to drink lemonade. H. We use capital letters for the words derived from proper nouns. Examples: He is a Russian, Russian from Russia. I love Swiss chocolates, Swiss from Switzerland. I. We use capital letters for the most important words in the title of books, films, newspapers and magazines. Examples: Have you read Alice in Wonderland? Last week, we saw the film Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Father reads the Times of India every morning. Do you have a copy of this month's Reader's Digest? Full stop. We put a full stop at the end of all assertive sentences. Examples: I like watching birds in my garden. Lucy bakes delicious cake. Question mark. We put a question mark at the end of a direct question or an interrogative sentence. Examples: Where is my bag? When does the bus leave? Exclamation mark A. We use an exclamation mark at the end of an exclamatory sentence that expresses strong emotions or feelings like anger, happiness, surprise, thrill, disgust, pain. Examples: Anger: Don't you talk to me like that. Happiness: I'm so glad. Surprise: I just can't believe it. Thrill: It was so exciting. Disgust: That taste was horrible. Pain: My leg hurts. B. We use an exclamation mark when we use certain words like hi, ouch, ah, oh, hey, wow, or yippee. Examples: Ouch, my ankle is hurting terribly. Yippee, we won the match. Comma. A. The comma is used to separate items in a list. Example: I bought onions, brinjals, tomatoes and potatoes from the market. B. The comma is used to separate words or phrases in a sentence. Example: I love reading, listening to songs, going on long treks and baking cakes. C. We use a comma to separate someone's name from the rest of the sentence. Examples: Vivek, did you complete your assignment? Where are you, Sujata? D. We use a comma to separate answer words like yes or no from the latter part of the sentence. Examples: Yes, I have read the book. No, we can't go to the park. E. We use a comma before please and thank you when these words come at the end of a sentence. Examples: Could you pass the butter, please? Would you like some more ice cream? No, thank you. F. We use a comma to indicate a slight pause in a sentence. Example: We saw Cinderella, a popular film of the 60s.